Say hello to the pollyfab Air Puff 1 Pro slider. This slider, believe it or not, is a 3D printed slider. Amazing. And the company sent me these to put to the test. And I have to say, I am wowed at how amazing these are. I've had the opportunity to try a couple of their other styles, the Flux, the Aero, although this is the Aero Pro and I'll be doing a review and comparing it to the other Aero version. But this slider is amazing. First of all, the cushioning is incredible. A wide toe box, fully breathable, so you're gonna get full air flow through the entire slider. This is great for wearing at home as a slipper, which I definitely will be wearing. I work from home too, and standing at my desk, great to wear. These will be great for recovery. They'll be great for the pool and the beach. And they also have arch support as well. And I'll share my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. One, you can see the latest promotions, you can see the colors. And if you end up using my referral link, greatly appreciate it. It helps my channel and also gives you an opportunity to check them out. And if you are about a certain style, and these may not be for you, if you can get over that and are looking for an incredible slider, you are gonna love them. I mean, amazing. It's hard to believe with technology and 3D printed footwear, how well these are, and they really do feel solid. So I'm gonna go ahead, put them on my feet. We'll talk about the fit and also the sizing compared to the other styles as well that you wanna be aware of. So now that I got them on my very pale feet, you could see what they look like in the style. You can get over the style. They're not for you. You will love them. The cushioning on these is amazing. If you're on your feet all day, you will love them. If you just want to be comfortable and have a lightweight, breathable slider, this is going to be for you. As far as the toe box, got plenty of room there. I'm a 2E and great room in the toe box. So that works great. If you're a 4E, you may be able to get away with it as well, but certainly a 2E. Lengthwise, these are a size shorter. So when they said they were gonna send me these, I told them my size, and the Flux and Aero, I am an 11. These are a 10. These run long, so you're gonna have to go down a size on these. But if you, again, are looking for a really comfortable, amazing slider that is breathable, lightweight, you are gonna love them. Also, again, you've got some arch support as well. Check out the other colors, but definitely a 2 thumbs up on these. Love them, and I can't highly recommend them enough. Let me know if you have any questions. Check them out today. And pollyfab, once again, has another great style in their lineup, and these are amazing. All right, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.